The square of an integer is called a perfect square. For example, 49 is a perfect square because 7 squared equals 49. When a radicand is not a perfect square, you can estimate the square root of the radicand. Problem 2, estimating a square root. This one's about biology. Lobster eyes are made of tiny square regions. Under a microscope, the surface of the eye looks like graph paper. A scientist measures the area of one of the squares to be 386 square microns. What is the approximate side length of the square to the nearest micron? So first, method 1. Estimate the square root of 386 by finding the two closest perfect squares. The perfect squares closest to 386 are 361 and 400. 19 squared is 361. 20 squared is 400. And as we can see here, 386 lies between 361 and 400. Since 386 is closer to 400, the square root of 386 is approximately equal to 20. That means the side length is about 20 microns because we were talking about squares. And remember, to find the area of a square, we just multiply side length times side length, or side length squared. Method 2, we can estimate the square root of 386 using a calculator. On a calculator, if we evaluated the square root of 386, we'd find it to be approximately equal to 19.6. So we could state the side length of the square root is about 20 microns. Your turn. What is the value of the square root of 34 to the nearest integer?